What's up guys, I'm Smoking Steve and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be smoking some chicken wings. Here I've got the mid-wing piece. They've been cleaned and they're dry now and ready for a dry rub. Today I'm going to be using Heath Riles honey rub. You can use whatever you have. Usually I've got my own concoction made up, but today this is what I have on hand, so that's what I'm going to be using. Let's get to it, eh? Okay, so I'm going to be coating these with this magnificent dry rub. If you haven't tried it, give it a go. Heath Riles honey rub. First of all, almost forgot, I'll be using some olive oil on the wings before I use the dry rub, just to sort of act as a binder. So what we want to do is rub the olive oil all over the wings. You don't really need much, it just spreads on its own. Once you start rubbing it around, it coats the whole wing. And that's pretty much good. Okay, time for the rub. Okay, so we want to generously coat the wings on both sides. I've used this rub for pork. It's really good on pork. I don't really use it for ribs, but I use it for pork steaks, like pork chops. It's perfect on pork chops actually. Gives it a great sweet sort of taste, but it's, you know, still keeps its savouriness. Now, that's all done. I'll get it back in the fridge and wait for the smoker to come up to temperature, and then we'll throw them in there. Okay, so here I've got the Pick Boss Series 3 vertical smoker. I've got 4 trays in here. It's come up to temp. It's currently at 165 Fahrenheit or 76 Celsius. I'm about to put the chicken wings in. Alright guys, so it's been about 45 minutes. Average temperature has been about 80 degrees Celsius, 170, 175 Fahrenheit. I'm going to turn it up now to 275 Fahrenheit. And we'll let it cook for about an hour. Perfect. Okay, so that's what they look like. Now we're going to be putting them in a glaze. And after we glaze them, we're then going to be putting them back in at high heat, just for them to crispen up and for that glaze to get all nice and sticky. So what I'm using today is Texas pepper jelly rib candy. This is the apple cherry habanero. I really love this on ribs. It is amazing. Pork ribs, that is. I've also tried it on beef ribs. They also tasted really good. And then I get this from my local, it's Beerenberg sticky rib sauce. And I've had this on the chicken wings before, exactly like this. They were really good. So I just had to have some more of it. So let's get to it. Just got 2 bowls here. put some sauce in each of them. Let's get a bit of this. Okay, got some sauce in each of these. Grab some gloves. Might wear this in case it's really hot. Okay, let's sort of divide them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19. So that's fine. 9 and 10. Okay. So I'll just start dunking them in the sauce. Might not be enough sauce in here. I'm chucking it back in. That's good. Bit more red candy. Okay, and that's done. Yum, so good. The last one I'm just going to try with no sauce, just because I want to try it with just that rub. Awesome. Okay, here we go. There's nothing like smoked chicken. So good. So good. Okay. Let's get the rest of this on. Oh, delicious. Perfect. Okay. Is you ready to go back? Oh, that was not good. Wife's not going to be happy with that. Let's wipe it now. Oh shit, it's on there. Oh shit. And these are what the wings look like. So on the right hand side we have the apple cherry habanero rib candy glaze, and on the left hand side, which is those ones, we have the sticky rib sauce, and then this is the other one, rib candy. Just twist it a bit. There we go, apple cherry habanero. Okay guys, so we've now finished the cook. This is what the wings look like. My wife also made some veggies, roasts, and I'm just going to do a little bit of a plate up. So let's grab some potatoes, and I reckon let's grab the wings, chuck and pile them up in the middle. We'll do 2 separate piles for the 2 different sauces. Perfect. Some potato, bit of carrot, and as always, bit of corn. Perfect. And let's have a bite of one of these. I'm Smoking Steve. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.